So we completed our remove method in our previous video, and now we are going to create some more methods like find, next to, or previous to. Okay, so before starting our other methods, I'm here adding some new lines to the code. So if we cannot find the data which the user is looking for. Okay, so if we can't find the data, we have to check a condition if current node equals to self dot head, right? So if the current node becomes the head node, we have to print data not found. Okay, and finally we break out of the loop. So let's say we so okay, so let's say that user looks for -11, right? So -11 not found because -11 is not contained in our cell data structure. Okay, yeah. So let's uncomment these and let's head back to what we were going to do in this video. So our next function is going to be define find, and we have to find some data, right? So we are using this CURR for current data, and it's going to start from self.head. Okay, so while current, if uh, current dot data equals to data provided by the user, we have to return data found, right? Else we are updating the current variable current dot next, and if current node equals to self dot head, we break out of the loop. Finally, we can return data not found. So let's test this. So print my list dot find. Let's search for -11. So -11 not found, and let's search for -1. Okay, -1 found. Let's play with this code for a bit. What if we comment out this line, and before breaking this loop, we actually put this not found, and we don't need to break this time, right? So let's see. -1 found, and -11. Okay, so -11 not found. All right, the code seems to work fine. So I'm going to add this. Okay. Just for you all, so that you can play with the code. Okay. So our next function is going to be define next to, and next to some data, or let's say key. So current equals to self dot head, while current, uh, if current dot data meets the key. So if we found the key, we have to return uh, current dot next dot data. Else we want to hop on to the new node. So current dot next. If current equals to self dot head again, we want to return uh, we want to return this data not in the list. Okay. Okay, so I think I have made some mistake. Okay, key. We have to use key here. Now we have to define previous to. Again, we are going to pass a key. So cur is equal to self dot. Okay, so this time let's go for the tail. Okay. So while current, if current dot data meets the key, so we have to return the value of the previous node. So we are going to return current dot prev dot data. Okay. And else we want to hop on to the previous node this time. So we are traversing backwards. Okay. So current equals to current dot prev. So if the current becomes self dot tail this time, we return key not in the list. Okay. Okay, so let's find out if the code is working fine. Print my list dot previous to. Okay, so let's say we want to find out the value previous to -1. So value previous to -1 is -2. Okay, correct. And previous to -11. So -11 not in the list. Okay, so this seems to work fine. Now let's check my next to method. Okay, my list dot next to. Okay, so next to -2. Let's go for -2 this time. So next to minus 2 is minus 1, correct? And next to minus 11 this time. 11 not in the list, minus 11 not in the list. So let's go for next to 3. Let's say 3. I think 3 is the tail node of the list. So okay, so as we can see that 3 is the last node, the tail node, and next to the 3 should be the head node, which is minus 2. So this method works fine. Okay, so we have made previous to and next to and find methods in this video. Okay, so yeah, we are done. And this was our circular linked list code, and we can make some more methods like maximum, minimum, and we can uh, make new methods for the middle node, finding the middle node, but I'll be covering those methods in my next video, so see you there.